we have just not engaged with Valmiki Ramayana the way we should. There have been so many retellings because these stories connect, right?
Yeah.
There have been so many retellings that Valmiki Ramayana mein kya tha, people don't even know. And the image of Sri Ram they have is basically from Ramanand Sagar's Ramayana.
Or else Amar Chitra Katha.
Amar Chitra Katha.
Blue.
So one is that color of his, but also that expression.
Huh.
Arun Govilji is what we think about.
Yeah.
No expressions, very stable.
Huh.
But if you see the characterization of Sri Ram in Valmiki Ramayana, it is not like that.
Okay.
He is so expressive. He's so romantic, like real romance. The romance between Sri Ram and Sita Ma over the Vanvas. So except for the last year when Sita ji is kidnapped, the 13 years that they are together, the kind of affection he shows, she also shows, but he shows the way he tells her, the way he interacts with her. He'll tell her so many times that you are more dear to me than anything else. Without you, I don't even want the Swarga. With you here, in that when they're in Chitrakoot and there's this nice Mandakini river flowing over there, and वो ऐसे दिखाया कि वो क्रीड़ा कर रहे हैं पानी में, and he's looking at this nature and this beautiful wife of his, and he's like, with you around me and this everything being so beautiful, I don't even desire Ayodhya anymore.
Oh.
That is Sri Ram. So romantic. Like there is this one dialogue which I had said once, which gone like viral. He tells her when she is convincing Sri Ram to take her to the Vanvas, and he says, no, it's a very dangerous place. And she becomes very upset and she starts crying and she's like, if you don't take me, I will give up my life. And he says, Are, Devi tava bate dukhe na swargam api na abhirochaye.
Don't need.
Without you, I don't even want the heaven. You come with me. Saha dharmachari bhava. You become my saha dharmachari. So this is Sri Ram. This is his love aspect. Now when Sita ji is taken away, you should see how that man has collapsed. How he cries. How he rushes, how he becomes mad when he doesn't get to know where Sita Ma is. So there is a part where when Lakshman ji and Sri Ram come back to that kutia and they don't see Sita Ma. So he's like, Arey baapre, where is she? So even before that, he tells Lakshman, you've left her and come. Now if we go back and I don't see her, I will not be able to live. There is no way I will be able to live if I don't see that smiling face of Sita, he says. Of course they go back. They can't find her. So he's like running around everywhere trying to find where Sita Ma is. He's running around talking to the Parvat. Arey, have you seen my Sita? He's running around talking to that tree, Kadamba tree. It is said, and he says, hey, have you seen my Kadamba Priya? Because Sita ji loved the Kadamba flowers.
Kadamba Vanavasini, that thing.
Correct. So he says that she loved your flowers. My Kadamba Priya, my dear who loved your flowers. Have you seen her anywhere? He runs around talking, like trying to call out the Shardula, which is lion. And he says, hey, Shardula, don't be afraid. I will not do anything to you. Have you seen my Sita? He's like a madman running around to find Sita Ma. And eventually he becomes so angry when he doesn't see her. And he's like, if I don't see her, Nashyami Sacharacharam, I'll destroy everything. This is him, who is extremely expressive. He's not one of those no expressions, nothing. No.
So we can expect Ranbir Kapoor to be doing that totally in love, obsessive, if he comes
they
up
have
to...
referred to the Valmiki Ramayana. That is the whole...
Is there any difference in Kamban?
There is a lot of difference. So in terms of the characterization of Sri Ram, that's what I understand.
Okay.
I think what has happened is Valmiki ji has written the history of a Raja of his time who's so great that there is definitely Devatva indicated in him. But afterwards, when Kavis have deliberated on Sri Ram and meditated on him and written about him, they are talking about Bhagwan, right? And there is a certain way they want to see the Bhagwan.
Correct, yes.
So, uske karan, there is a bit of a change where Bhagwan cannot behave like this, right? Bhagwan can't be saying all these romantic dialogues. So, there is, in one of, when they are in that 13 year of Vanvas, no, actually after they come back, after Sita ji has come back and all that, and they're going back to Ayodhya. So the scene is that he asks her to sit on her lap. Okay, and I said it in one podcast, and people were like, she's making it sound as if it's a love story. But it is.
It is.
It is. And they both are so loving. In fact, there is a dialogue which Valmiki ji says. So when they come back to Ayodhya after their marriage, again, Valmiki Ramayana, there is no Swayamvar.
हाँ.
Okay, so there is no that love before Swayamvar and all that. ऐसा नहीं है.
हाँ.
It is just that there is a yagna going on. Shri Ram has been taken there by Vishwamitra ji. And Shri Ram, Vishwamitra ji tells Janak to show him the Shiva Dhanush. He sees the Shiva Dhanush where then Janak ji is saying that so many people have tried, they've not been able to break it. Now I have taken this pratigya that I'll only marry my daughter to somebody who puts the pratyancha over it. Shri Ram is not even concerned about all that. He doesn't even know that he'll get married that way. He picks up the Dhanusha like a warrior would out of that curiosity. But very nicely he picks up, he puts the pratyancha. Then Janak is very happy. Now he's like, oh, now I'm going to marry my daughter. And Shri Ram is like, oh, but you need to take permission from my dad. And that's when then Dashrath ji is called. So
that Vatika में जो मिले थे वगैरह वो नहीं है.
इसमें नहीं है. वो वाल्मीकि रामायण में है. Very beautiful episode, but
Yeah.
not in Valmiki Ramayana.
हाँ.
So Valmiki Ramayana, also they fall
My
in
childhood
love.
has been a lie. Okay.
Oh, I have to tell you one more thing for which you will definitely say this. But this, their love flourishes when Sri Ram and Sita ji are back in Ayodhya. And before the Vanvas, the time they spend. So Valmiki tells us that over those few years that they have spent, they both are falling madly in love with each other because of the Rupa, because of the Guna and all of that. And he says that love has become so strong that Akyatam Hridayam Hridi, their hearts are talking. They don't even need words to talk. This is the kind of love. So no, Sri Ram is very, very expressive.
Do subscribe to the ANI Clips channel to get shorter versions of this podcast. Click here to watch the full episode.